Arrive in style with this Dodge 2016 Journey Crossroad. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: transmission 6-speed automatic 62TE, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT included, flex fuel vehicle 3.16 axle ratio dual bright exhaust tips engine oil cooler, white, black premium cloth low back bucket seats, quick order package 28U Crossroad included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT transmission, 6-speed automatic 62TE, front-wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.